Thanks for joining. Good evening. We'll wait for some more time and then get on with the show. Good evening. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Hello, thanks for joining. We'll wait for a couple more seconds and then get on with the show. Please stay tuned. Hi, thanks for joining. Hello, thanks for joining. Alright, I think we have an audience. We'll get on with the show.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Shrews Eternity's Sunday Live. So today we'll be showing you Kora thread-woven patterns, and we also have Kanchi cottons to be showcased in today's video. We have our very own Kanchi soft silk, Kanjivaram silk, and also Ikat silks to be showcased. People who'd like to buy these sarees, there'll be a link that will be posted in the comment section. Once the live video is done, please click on the link. You'll be able to see all the sarees that I'm showing in the video today. So with that, we'll start the session. Before we start, what I'm wearing is a semi-patola, beautiful cotton silk saree with jari woven borders on either side. It's got a very pretty patola designed body and pallu. And it comes with a self-designed plain mustard color blouse. So people who would like to buy similar sarees as what I am wearing today, please watch our tomorrow video at 10:30 in the morning to look at all the semi-patola sarees that we have in store. So with that, we'll start the live session.
Let's start the show with saree number 1. Price at 2,290. 2290 saree number 1.
This is a beautiful Rama blue with black combination. It's got beautiful woven jari borders, floral woven jari borders on either sides of the saree.
All these are Kora cotton silk sarees.
The whole body has nice thread woven patterns. The beautiful woven jari pallu in black and a plain black color blouse. So all these sarees are very rich. You can choose to wear it for small functions.
Yes, saree number 1 price at 2,290. Moving on to saree number 2. Price at 2,290. 2290 saree number 2.
This is a beautiful green with black combination. Very pretty woven patterns all over the body. Plain gold border in the upper portion. And the lower half of the saree has beautiful woven borders with peacock jari woven buttas. A very pretty black jari woven pallu, very rich pallu, and a plain black color blouse.
Yes, saree number 2 priced at 2,290. Moving on to saree number 3, priced at 2,290.
This is a pale mustard with blue combination. Very pretty woven jari borders on either sides of the saree. Very pretty floral woven patterns all over the body. Jari pallu in blue and a plain blue color blouse.
Saree number 3 priced at 2,290. 2290 saree number 3. Moving on to saree number 4, priced at 2,290.
A teal with pink combination. It's got a different border. It's got a striped jari border on either sides. Beautiful woven patterns all over the body. A jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 4 priced at 2,290.
Next we have an orange with pink combination.
Saree number 5 priced at 2,290.
Beautiful striped jari border on either sides of the saree. The whole of the body has nice thread woven patterns. A beautiful pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 5 priced at 2,290.
Moving on to our Kanchi cotton sarees.
Starting with saree number 6 priced at 3,790.
This is a beautiful black with checkered pattern in the lower half of the saree. It's a half and half saree. The whole bottom portion of the saree has nice chakra and thread woven peacock buttas. That's going to be the pallu. It's got a striped pallu with peacocks in it and a fully butta woven black color blouse.
Saree number 6 priced at 3,790. 3,790 saree number 6.
Next we have a beautiful purple with checkered pattern all over. The whole body has nice peacock thread woven patterns and the borders of the saree have retapet borders
Saree
in
number
grey and
7.
maroon.
Saree number 7 priced at 4,190.
A beautiful pallu with woven thread patterns in it. and a plain purple color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 7, priced at 4,190. 4190, saree number 7.
We have the same design in blue and purple combination.
Saree number 8, priced at 4,190.
Retapet borders on either sides. Thread woven checkered body with peacocks in it. A beautiful pallu with woven patterns with yali and peacock buttas in it, and a plain blue color blouse. Very classy sarees.
Saree number 8, priced at 4,190. Moving on to saree number 9, priced at 2,890. 2,890, saree number 9.
Kanchi cotton with woven pallu and woven blouse. It's got a plain body with Rudraksham border on either sides of the saree. It's a beautiful pink with very pretty woven pallu and a fully woven Rudraksham designed blouse.
Saree number 9, priced at 2,980. 2,890. Up next is saree number 10, priced at 2,890. 2,890, priced at
The same design in blue.
2,890, saree number 10.
Beautiful Rudraksham patterned borders on either sides. It's got a plain body, a beautiful woven pallu, and a Rudraksham designed woven blouse.
Saree number 10, priced at 2,890. Moving on to saree number 11. And with this, we'll start off with our pure soft silk collection for the day. Saree number 11, priced at 6,450. 6,450.
Beautiful plain green color border along with a teal border on either sides with a thin strip of gold jari border. The whole body is navy blue in color with self stripe pattern and a beautiful design jari pallu in green and a plain self stripe green color blouse.
Saree number 11, priced at 6,450. Moving on to
we
saree
have
number 12, priced at 6,450.
Very
6,450.
different color combination. This has got a self checkered pattern all over the body. It's a beautiful ice blue with black combination. Black borders on either sides along with gold jari border. Beautiful woven pallu in thread in black and a plain black color blouse.
Saree number 12, priced at 6,450. Moving on to saree number 13, priced at 6,450.
Beautiful orangish pink with teal combination. Teal color border along with woven jari border on either side. It's got a self checkered pattern on either side of the saree. Beautiful thread woven pallu and a plain teal color blouse.
Yes, saree number 13, priced at 6,450. Moving on to saree number 14, priced at 6,450.
Navy blue with red and orange borders. Beautiful design on either sides of the saree. Very classy borders. Very traditional. And a fully jari woven pallu in orange and a plain orange color blouse.
Saree number 14, priced at 6,450. Moving on to saree number 15, priced at 7,980. 7,980.
This is a checkered body with strips of gold jari border on either sides of the saree. In between the checkered patterns, you have nice small jari woven round buttas, coin buttas and mandala buttas as you can see. It's got a combination of all colors. A beautiful teal color jari woven pallu and a plain teal color blouse. Very pretty saree.
Saree number 15, priced at 7,980. Moving on to saree number 16, priced at 7,680.
Very traditional Arakku maroon
7,680.
with teal combination. Beautiful thin strip of gold jari border on either sides. The whole body has nice chakra and peacock buttas. It's got a checkered pallu with chakra, peacock, yanai and temple buttas and a plain teal color blouse. Beautiful saree.
Saree number 16, priced at 7,680. Moving on to saree number 17, priced at 6,980. 6,980.
This is a beautiful borderless Pochampally designed soft silk saree. Very pretty green color with Beautiful Pochampalli patterns all over, and it's got a very traditional Jari woven pallu in dark blue and a plain blue color blouse.
Saree number 17, priced at 6,980.
Next we have a light biscuit color with green color Pochampalli patterns all over. The borderless saree again.
Saree number 18, priced at 6,980.
Beautiful navy blue colored Jari pallu and a plain blue color blouse.
Saree number 18, priced at 6,980. Moving on to saree number 19, priced at 6,250. 6,250. Saree number
We
19.
have a very different saree. This has got a half and half pattern. So the upper portion of the saree has a plain orangish pink color border. The lower half of the saree has a nice mustardy yellow, a mambre yellow, and it comes with a temple work in the pallu in mustard, and this comes with a blue color contrast blouse. Very simple and an elegant saree.
Saree number 19, priced at 6,250. Moving on to saree number 20, priced at 7,980. 7,980. Saree number 20.
This is a beautiful mandul green with pink combination. The whole of the saree has beautiful floral Jari woven buttas in both gold and silver. The upper portion has a thin strip of pink color border. The lower half of the saree has a bigger Jari border, bigger pink color border with Jari woven buttas in both gold and silver. A beautiful abstract designed pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 20, priced at 7,980. Up next is saree number 21, priced at 8,950. 8,950.
This is a peachish pink with violet combination, a very different color combination. Gold Jari border in the upper portion. Beautiful woven patterns in the lower half of the saree, which has got nice round circle buttas along with wavy pattern. And a beautifully designed pallu in violet and a plain violet color blouse. Beautiful color.
Saree number 21, priced at 8,950. Moving on to saree number 22, priced at 9,450. 9,450.
This is a dark wine color. Very pretty woven Jari borders on either side of the saree. The whole body has nice leaf Jari woven buttas. It's got a very different border with both silver and gold Jari. And a very abstract designed pallu and a fully Jari woven wine color blouse.
Saree number 22, priced at 9,450. Moving on to saree number 23, priced at 9,450. 9,450. Saree number 23.
This is an extremely beautiful color combination, a green with navy blue. Got a plain navy blue color border in the upper portion. The whole body has nice floral Jari woven buttas. The lower half of the saree has beautiful Jari woven patterns in navy blue and a fully Jari woven navy blue color pallu and a plain blue color blouse.
Saree number 23, priced at 9,450. 9,450. Saree number 23. Moving on to saree number 24, priced at 6,950. 6,950.
So with this, we'll start with our ikat silk sarees. This is a mustardy orange, it's a double shade with violet combination, plain violet color border in the upper portion. The whole body has nice ikat woven patterns. Beautiful border in the lower half of the saree. Very pretty woven pallu and a plain blouse. Beautiful color combination.
Saree number 24, priced at 6,950. Moving on to saree number 25, priced at 6,950.
This is a nice steel blue with pink combination. Very pretty woven borders, woven body, Jari borders on either sides. Beautiful pallu in pink, woven pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 25, priced at 6,950. Moving on to saree number 26, priced at 6,950.
This is a beautiful onion pink with blue combination. Gold Jari borders on either sides of the saree. Very pretty woven patterns all over the body. Beautifully designed pallu in a nice peacock blue and a plain peacock blue color blouse.
Sari number 26, priced at 6,950. Up next is sari number 27, priced at 6,950.
This is a beautiful leaf green with red combination. Gold jari border in the upper portion. Very pretty woven patterns in the whole body and the borders. Nikat woven patterned pallu and a plain red color blouse.
Sari number 27, priced at 6,950. Moving on to sari number 28, priced at 6,950.
Next we have a Rani pink with a dual border in the lower half. It's got a plain green color border in the upper portion. Beautifully designed ikat patterns all over the body. The lower half of the sari has a nice copper sulphate blue along with green color border with beautiful temple woven patterns. A green color woven pallu and a plain green color blouse.
Sari number 28, priced at 6,950.
So
Moving on to sari number 29.
So this is a pure Kanjivaram silk sari.
Sari number 29, priced at 8,450. 8450, sari number 29.
It's got a very nice abstract designed patterns all over the body in both gold and silver. Comes with thick gold jari border in a nice magenta on either sides of the sari. A beautiful jari pallu, a fully tissue jari woven pallu and a plain magenta colored blouse.
Sari number 29, priced at 8,450. 8450. Moving on to sari number 30, priced at 8,450. 8,450, sari number 30.
Gold jari borders on either side. This is another color variant of the same design. Beautifully designed patterns all over the body in both gold and silver jari. A tissue jari pallu in mustard and a contrast mustard color blouse. Very pretty design.
Sari number 30, priced at 8,450. The last sari for the session, sari number 31, the deal of the day sari. Actual price is 8,450, the deal price is 6,950, 6,950.
This is a very pretty brown with maroon combination. This has got a woven jari border on either sides of the sari with floral designs in it, and the whole of the body has a nice checkered pattern with floral jari woven buttas. This comes with a very elegant maroon colored jari pallu and a plain maroon color blouse. Very pretty design.
Sari number 31, priced at 6,950.
So thank you so much for joining. That is it for today's video. People who'd like to buy these saris, there'll be a link that will be present in the comment section. Please click on the link to look at all these saris. And people at Chennai, we are coming up with a surprise. Please stay tuned to our page for more updates. So we'll catch you with our next live session on Wednesday. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and happy shopping. Bye-bye. So I think you have enjoyed today's video. So please stay tuned to our page and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube for more interesting videos. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye-bye.